Alright, I had to have a drink, didn't I? But it is morning coffee. Alright, we're not quite 20 minutes. However, I've just turned the heat off because it's, oh yeah, I know you can't see, but you can see how much darker it is. Well reduced down now. It's like a thick, again, look at that. It's a much thicker sauce. We'll give it a taste in a minute, but I'll let it cool a bit. So let's just tip it out. There we go. So it will be very, very hot because obviously it's concentrated down now. So let's just get out every bit that we can. We're not going to use all of this in something like a pad thai. You probably only want a couple of teaspoons, but a bit difficult to make it any less amount, isn't it? So let's just try it without trying to burn my mouth off. Oh, it's very acidic, but the sugar's just taking the edge off a little bit. So there you go. There is some Amai sauce, which is a sweet and sour dipping sauce, and also an ingredient in pad thai, which incidentally we're making later if Tesco's deliver. So there you go.